Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you an AI platform that's seriously on another level. It can create amazing images, generate cinematic videos, and help you make content faster than ever. But the crazy part is their brand new feature. It can research, plan, create ads, build brands, and handle a lot of the work for you automatically. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and why so many people are talking about it right now. If you're excited, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and let's jump in. So this right here is the AI tool. And from the get-go, you can see that there are lots and lots of things you can do with this. If you look around, you can see that it has lots of models, ranging from the Higgsfield plugins to the Higgsfield viral presets, as well as the supercomputer orchestrator, which we're going to be focusing on in this video. If you scroll down further, you can see that supercomputer comes packed with models such as Nano Banana Pro, Cadence 2, and it also has the MCP and Marketing Studio. And each and every one of these generates ultra-realistic, high-quality content for me and you. You can scroll down further to see the Higgsfield viral presets, and each and every one of these generations don't even look like AI at all. That's to show you that the quality you get with this is truly, truly outstanding. Before we head over to the main focus of this video, which is the supercomputer, which is a beast, we are going to test out the image generator by hovering over images. And once again, you can see the models featured here are listed accordingly, and it also has most of the top models, like it even has Nano Banana Pro. So to generate images with this, all you have to do is click on Create Image, and you'll be loaded over to this interface. And from the get-go, you can see I myself have been testing these out, and they all look really great. If you take a closer look, you can see that this doesn't even look like AI at all. So now to generate images, all you have to do is type in your prompt in the prompt box right here. You can see, realistic image of a woman with purple hair standing on a sidewalk just like this. I can select the model for this. I'm going to go with Nano Banana Pro, and for the aspect ratio, I think 1:1 works great for this. I'm going to leave the quality at 4K and generate one image. Having everything set, all you have to do is click on Generate, and our image is currently being generated. Just give it a couple of seconds while it generates our image for us, and in no time, we have this beautiful image right here. The quality and everything is just on point, and this is the quality you get with this AI tool. You have lots of features to test out, like you can upscale the image, enhance it, also change the lighting, and also use the in-painting feature, as well as the angles, and with the click of a button, you can animate this into a video, but I'm just gonna leave it as is and download this straight into my device. Now I've shown you how to generate images, let's head over to the video generative interface. Just hover over video, and if you look over, you can see the top models like Cadence 2, Sora 2, and even Google's Veo 3 are all included in this AI platform. All you have to do is click on Create Video, and you'll be loaded over to this particular interface. You can see that I've been testing this out. Just take a look at this video. Isn't that just great? No weird morphing, no distortion, and you can upload your image right here. I can upload an image of your choice. I'm going to be uploading the one we just generated, and for the prompt, I can just say, she moves realistically and touches her hair, just like this. And for the model, I'm going to be going with Happy Horse because it gives that 1080p high-quality generations and it doesn't cost as much. And for duration, you can take this all the way up to 15 seconds. I think 10 seconds would be just okay for this test. And the aspect ratio, I'm going to set it as 1:1, because that's the aspect ratio of the image. And the quality, I'm going to leave it at 1080p. Once everything is set, just click on Generate, and the AI tool begins to generate our video for us. Just give it a couple of minutes while it generates our high-quality video for us, and in no time, our video is done generating. Let's take a look at what it did for us. And wow, wasn't that great? No weird morphing, no weird distortion. It adhered to the prompt perfectly, and you can head back and download this straight into your device just like this. So now I've showed you how to generate images and videos. Let's head over to the all-new supercomputer tool by clicking right here, and you'll be loaded over to this interface. From the get-go, you can see that this interface looks really, really good. You have lots of features to work with, like if you click here on Skills, you can see that there are lots and lots of skills you can incorporate using the supercomputer to make it even way better. Like you have Cadence's prompting skills right here, you can test each and every one of them out. They work just great. And if you look over at connectors, you can see that you can connect all the top apps to your supercomputer so that it can handle requests from you seamlessly. So don't think of this as an image or video generator. Think of it as an all-in-one powerful AI hub that can basically do anything for you. You have top apps like Instagram, X, as well as Gmail, and it handles all of this seamlessly. If you head over to memory, you can see that you can tell the Higgsfield Supercomputer things that you want it to remember. I can say it should remember this, and it will. So now let's test out using this. So head back and create a new task, and I have this prompt right here which I can paste in. It's basically telling it to provide me with a list of e-commerce products. And before we send this over, you have lots of models to try this out with. Like we have the Google's Orchestrator right here, as well as Claude, and the Google Gemini 3.1 Pro. And do note that this is the best way and cheapest way to use Gemini 3.1 Pro right here in the supercomputer. And before sending it over, you have two options to choose from, which is the auto run, which will just give you a generation without asking any prior questions, or confirm before running, which will ask you questions to make sure it gets exactly what you want, but I'm going to use the auto run and send this over. And it is currently fetching our results, and this doesn't just generate random results as you see on the surface, it actually does a deep dive on web analytics and gets us our results. And in no time, we have these beautiful results right here. If you analyze this, you can see that it has given us a list of e-commerce products, like it has given us the mouth tape, as well as some other cool products like the flatback earring and even the satin sleep bonnets. And it doesn't just give us this, it actually gives us the retail prices and more market information like the demand. So you can copy one of these here like this. And you can head back and create a new task and just say, build me a brand for, then paste it in just like this and send it over. And the supercomputer gets to work and is currently generating a brand for us. So let's give this a couple of minutes while it gets everything we need. And it has currently generated some guides for our brand. And it has also given us some product images, and each and every one of these look crystal clear. It doesn't even look like AI at all. It's also giving us some tips to launch our brand. So make sure to check out this all-powerful tool, which is Supercomputer. The link will be in my bio.